everyone, start off by drawing this ovular shape and then draw an opposite facing U on top of it. Add the horns to it, ears, and then eyes, and then the nostrils and a mouth to it. Add the legs underneath it, and then afterwards draw the rest of the body. Next, add a little tail at the back and then add grass. Color this in. Next, we'll start off by drawing these two curved lines, add larger curved lines underneath it, and then draw one curved line at the top of it. Add these large ears and then color the tips of it in black. Now add eyes to it, a little snout and a mouth. Afterwards, add the rest of the body, the legs, and then the arms. Now, there should be a thunder-like tail at the back, and then now you will know that this is Pikachu. Color him in yellow. Next, start off by drawing a C shape and then afterwards add another C shape within it. Now add yet another C shape within this and then connect these parts, add eyes to it, and then afterwards add another fin on either side and the back. Now afterwards make water splashes around it and color this in blue. Next, we'll start off by drawing these circular shapes attached to one another. Join two of them together and then afterwards add ears on either side of it, add eyes to it. Afterwards, turn this into the mouth. Now draw the rest of the body, add the tail at the back of it all. Next, we'll start off by drawing this lobster, and in order to do so, start off by drawing this A shape, add U's underneath it, multiple of them. Afterwards, add these two curved lines, and then afterwards, add the rest of its tail. Add eyes to the front, and then add the claws on either side of it. Connect each of these, and then afterwards, add the legs on either side of this. Color all of this in red. Next, we'll start off by writing the number 6 and 1 beside it. Now, connect the two of them, add a W shape, and then draw a circular shape at the top. Add ears to this, and then draw patterns on the head. Add the eyes, a little snout, and a mouth to it, add whiskers on either side, and then afterwards draw the legs to it as well. Add the tail, and then markings to it, add a heart shape as well. Next, draw this infinity symbol, and then afterwards add two more circles beside it. Now, add a head to one of them, and then add these opposite V shapes in order to make the ears. Add the eyes after this, add the whiskers, a little snout, and a mouth accordingly. Add the rest of the body, and then add a downward facing 3 in order to make the toes. Add the tail at the back, and then the markings on the body, and color all of this in yellow and black accordingly. Next, draw this 3 shape, and then add a bigger 3 at the back. After this, draw a smaller 3 and then connect the front to it as such. Now afterwards, add a face to it and then draw bubbles to the top. Next, we'll start off by drawing this number 3 and then afterwards underneath it, draw a 2. Now add a line underneath it and then add this curved line to it, add eyes to it, a little snout and a mouth accordingly. Add ears to it and then draw a 6 shape in order to make the body. Now add the tail at the back. Next, we'll start off by drawing the letter M and then underneath it draw the head. Afterwards, add a 2 and then a 3 at the back. This will be the rest of the body. Add the eyes and then the mouth, and then afterwards add a heart at the back. Slowly begin to color it in different shades of pink. Next, draw downward facing 3. Instead of making this as the bunny, start off by shading the paper. After you've shaded it completely using a pencil, spread it out using a earbud. Now afterwards, using an eraser, make a circular shape out of it, color up, and then afterwards trace out the ears at the top as well. Slowly begin to shade it up, and then afterwards, add the face to it as well. Use the earbud in order to keep shading it as such. After you've shaded it, add the eyes, and then a little nose to it. Do this using an X mark. Next, we'll start off by writing the letters B, G, H, and then N. Now for the B, make a little dinosaur out of it, and then fill it in, add the eyes to it. Next, for the shape of the G, once again, make a different kind of dinosaur to it. Now for the shape of the H, make another different kind of dinosaur to it. This one will have the legs longer. And then this will be our last kind of dinosaur. As you can see, we have used yellow for each of their backs. Thank you for watching.